Hello, very good evening to all. Can we start again? Hello, Ram Saran. Today I will share my views on the ethics, but before my start speech, I want to say something in Hindi. There is a poem I written कि ध्वस्त हो गए मानव सारे, मानवता बर्बाद हो गई, कि ध्वस्त हो गए मानव सारे, मानवता बर्बाद हो गई, नैतिकता रोटी बेचारी भूली विसरी बात हो गई, नैतिकता रोटी बेचारी भूली विसरी बात हो गई, बुलेट ट्रेन से दौड़ रही है घोटालों की रेलियां, बुलेट ट्रेन से दौड़ रही है घोटालों की रेलियां, सीधा सच्चा बनता है जो हो जाता है फेलियां, हो जाता है फेलियां. So let's my speech. It is very necessary to have peaceful brotherhood, unity in us and in our country, but it can happen only when we remain to work or make conscious efforts in every movement. We all have to eliminate all the whims and make all those efforts for the progress of our country. The hanging element will have to be completely destroyed. The arbitrary economics explosion take place in the field of education will have to be condoned and brought into right form. Because we are not imposed on the aesthetic progress, the reason for crime and terror increasing day and night is considered to be the lack of education and the lack of literacy for every person. Problem like starvation, unemployment, poverty are related to the literacy. By abolishing the issue related to the temple, mosques, gurudaras, a strong flag of unity in diversity will have to be built, and the tricolor flag of national unity and integrity will be hosted on it. We all have to kill every trace of inequality by showing intimacy among ourselves, because we all are getting influenced by the exit pump, and nowadays this is being promoted in every department. The thing worth as amount money spent is visible if even fourth part of that amount given to the education of children of poor families. Poverty can educate to some extent, and the poor children who left behind due to poverty, they got the opportunity to show their talent to their parents, to the city, to the state, and to the country. As you all know, in 17th century, the people are not highly educated, and the British people take benefit of this thing. They came in India and rule over us almost 200 years, and in 200 years they treat us like a dog. But 17th to 19th century, there were many great people. They sacrificed their life to get us freedom, and now we all are free to do everything. But the children are not studying nowadays. Due to this, the same thing will happen again. And I don't want to take a much time. I want to say now that education is important, but more than education, ethics is important. So thank you guys. You gave me a precious time and listened me. So thank you.